Hey YouTube, today we're going to replace this glass run window channel weather strip. Runs all the way down into the door and the window rides up and down in it. This is a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. This is the same process for all third generation Dodge Rams. This interior piece of trim just pops up once you get your interior door panel off. The next one to come off would be the front weather strip. You'll undo the screw here on the back side, screws into this, and you pull it up, and it has these clips here that clip in down on the inside. You'll need a special tool to get that out, or if you're replacing it with a new one, you can just pry it up here and it'll break as you go, and then pull it out. But if you're removing it and you want to save this, you'll need a special tool. So it reaches down in there, grabs these little clips and lifts them up. Okay, stop. Remove your water dam. All right, once the water dam is off, you'll have to reconnect your switch. You will need to take your speaker off and your door handle to get that water dam off and not rip it. But reconnect your switch. You'll have to roll your window down so you can access the window bolts that connected to the regulator through these two ports here. What you do is loosen these two bolts, then you'll slide this regulator rail over. You'll be able to lift the window free. The window's free. You don't want to rotate it. Inside the door. All right. Set that aside somewhere safe. Once you're done with that, getting the window out, you'll need to take these two bolts off that secure the window run channel. You can just loosen that one. This one will have to come completely off. This channel comes out. You can work it down right through here. All right, once your window run channel has been removed on the one side, you come up here and pull down your weather strip, and you'll pull it up on this side, pull it up and out of the door. This window run channel and the window run channel weather strip. This hangs down. It'll fit right in here like that. You want to make sure that this edge is inside this metal and this is hanging over this edge. So your next step is going to be install your weather strip. You can hang it down into the door. Come over on this side. Down into the door. Both sides. Pop it into place. Not too high. I get it in. Okay. Inside the door, you want to work it to get in that channel that did not come out, the one that's permanently mounted. So, see how this edge is inside, this side is over. This edge is inside the channel, this edge is over. This is on the side that did not get removed. So once that's pushed in, this side will be hanging. Don't know if you can see it in there. This side's just going to be flopping. So the next step is to put back the window run channel that was removed. And then you'll work your weather strip into that, and then put the window back. After that, install your glass. Alright, when you're installing that window and messing with it inside the door, you want to rotate it so this smaller end comes down this way, and then you're going to want to work it into the channel here, and then you'll want to bring the whole window down almost to the bottom of the door, have it tilted, and then just work it into that channel, make sure it's in the channel, then lift it up to your window regulator bracket here. Alright, now you have the door or the window secured back to the channel. These are 89 inch-pounds on these bolts. If you have a torque wrench or a torque screwdriver, 10mm bolts. All these bolts here are 10mm. The door handle, these bolts here for the regulator, these bolts for the glass run channel. So after this point, you just want to start reassembling everything. You want to put your door handle back on, then your speaker. Then you'll feed your wires through the hole in your water dam. Put that back up, hook your mirror back up. Alright, after the door run channel, the glass run channel weather strip is in, you're going to put your inner weather strip back in. This channel goes in, pops in, your window will be coming up against it like this. This metal edge will come right down onto there. In here, this screw hole match up with here. Pop it in. Slide it behind the mirror. Then just pop it down